To Delightful and Delicious. If this is your first time here, my name is Stephanie, and you guys go ahead and take just a second, hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below so you don't miss any of the awesomeness going on up in here. Now, if you are already a subscriber, you know I adore you guys. Today is a good day for us because we're making sweet potato pie. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys. Now here I have 3 large sweet potatoes that I have washed, scrubbed, and baked in the oven for an hour at 425 degrees. Now you will know when your sweet potato is done when you insert a knife or a fork in the largest portion and it goes in easily. So now we're just going to split our sweet potatoes. The skin is going to come off really easily here, and we're just going to put that into a bowl. Now after you have peeled your sweet potatoes, put them in a bowl, you just want to take a fork and mash those up a little bit. To a separate bowl, add sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and sea salt. Mix well. Take your sugar mixture and add that to your sweet potatoes. And mix that all together. Now to your sweet potatoes and sugar, you want to add pure vanilla extract and your butter. This is butter that is now room temperature. And you guys be sure that you are warming up your oven to 350 degrees while you're doing all of this. Then we are going to just take our mixer and make sure that this is all mixed together well and nice and smooth. Now when you're done mixing, you then just want to take a spoon and taste your filling for seasoning. That is so good. Now this is the time where you want to customize this and make it your own. So if you like it a little sweeter, add more sugar. If you want a little bit more vanilla, add that. Whatever it is you want to add in, this is the time to do it. Because once you're satisfied with the taste of your filling, we're then going to add in 2 eggs. And what you don't want to do is add in your eggs and then start tasting, because then you're tasting raw eggs and you don't want to do that. So then once you add your eggs in, we're just going to mix this all together. Okay guys, so after your sweet potato pie filling is all mixed together and it's yummy, you've tasted it for all of your seasoning and this is the way you like it, we're now just going to make our pies. So you can use your great grandmother's pie crust recipe if you want to. You can buy one of these pre-made, you get from the freezer section pie crust. I'm going to use just a pre-made that you get from the refrigerated section. Roll it out in my pie plate. And I'm telling you guys, the taste of these, it's absolutely delicious, and there's really no reason to have to make your own pie crust if you don't have to. And now we're just going to put our filling into the crust. Is now in our pie crust. I put this on a baking sheet. We're gonna pop this in an oven at 350 degrees for about an hour, or just until a toothpick or a knife is inserted into the center of it and it comes out clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the oven. All right guys, so our sweet potato pie is all done. We baked it at about an hour, and I like to let mine rest for at least 30 minutes before I cut into it. So let's see what we have here. Y'all, that is so good. Now remember, we roasted our sweet potatoes as opposed to boiling them on the stove. I tend not to like to boil them because I don't want to incorporate a bunch of water into my potatoes, because I feel like that takes away from the flavor and the texture of it. So when we roast them, it brings out even a deeper, richer flavor of your sweet potato, which makes this absolutely amazing. It's just sweet enough, not too much. It's absolutely delicious. This is a Southern tradition during the holidays, whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, and for a lot of people, sometimes even Easter. So this is a wonderful, easy dessert if you want to go ahead and try your hands at a dessert this holiday season. If you try it, let me know how it goes. Let me know how everybody liked it. If you're not already part of our delightful family, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. Share this video, give it a thumbs up. All of the ingredients are listed down below. All of the ingredients and directions are going to be on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. I'll also leave a link to that down below. And next time you are in the kitchen, make sure you are keeping it delightful and delicious. Bye guys, see you next time.